I'm Michelle Coulter and I come from Barnes. I found Tristan really helpful from the first time that I spoke with him, and really reassuring about creating something that I didn't know exactly what I wanted. You know, as soon as I talked with him, I felt confident that we'd be able to create something that would be what I was looking for. The designing process was fantastic because mostly the ability to make changes as you went along. Tristan was really patient every time I had a slight change in terms of my ideas, or there was a detail that I wanted slightly differently. He was very understanding and very patient, and the fact that I could make these changes without feeling, you know, that I was doing the wrong thing or that it was getting frustrating was absolutely fantastic. When it came to the building process, the team that came to the house were always spot on time, really polite, got on with their work efficiently, worked extremely well with the other builders who were in the house at the same time, which wasn't always easy. They were really flexible about working around other builders and doing what they could to make it easier for everyone, even when it wasn't necessarily ideal for them. And they were a pleasure to have in the house, really, and you know, couldn't have asked for more. I would say that what I've received in terms of the fitted furniture is more than I imagined. I'm absolutely delighted with it. It's always difficult when you see something on paper and it's just a drawing to imagine what it's actually going to look like in real life, and I'm absolutely couldn't be more delighted that I've got so many positive comments about from everyone who's seen it, and yeah, I think it's really lovely and beautiful. Very happy with it. I would say for anyone who's thinking of using custom carpentry, and particularly working with Tristan, that he's a really easy person to work with. You can tell that he is a perfectionist and wants to do absolutely the right thing for the customer. He's very focused on what you're looking for and meeting your needs, and that comes across in every interaction that you have with him. And you know, it's been a completely positive experience working with him.
Lovely, thank you so much.
That's all right.